Push P. Yeah. Queen.
Hey my loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's Suzie and I am back with another video. So y'all, today we're gonna be making the viral ski mask pants, and before I get into it, I want to give a big shout out to the original designer. I couldn't find the name to tag, but shout out to him for creating these pants. But y'all, let's get into it. Y'all know I like to get straight into it, so y'all want to go ahead and cut off the tips of the hat. So y'all, this was kind of beginner friendly or whatever. So as you can see, I am turning the mask inside out, and y'all just want to line them up. But before I really get into it, make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Get into it, I'll wait. But no, I'm pinning up the little mask together. And then y'all, if you want to plug up the eye holes and the mouth holes, you can, but on the legs we did not, and of course on the top we did. So the top here is where it's going to be a little different. So you want to cut down, I'll say a little past the mouth is what I did. I don't know if this is like the correct way or you can cut down more, but this is just what I did. So yeah. And now I'm going to go ahead and pin those together, but first we're going to turn them inside out. Well, before we pin them together, I went ahead and pinned like the top of the mask that we cut out extra, and I sewed all of those together because we wanted to give that Jamaican flag, because he was wearing these to Jamaica or whatever. So now I'm going to go ahead and pin that into place. But as you can see, it's right there on the mouth part too, but we went ahead and put black right there because we just wanted the eyes to be a different color. So after we finish pinning it, we're going to go ahead and sew around the eyes. And y'all, while we do that, y'all, I was so freaking thirsty because my client took some good pictures, showed off the pins, you know, got into detail, gave me a nice shout out. I just love when my clients just, you know, support. I love it. And y'all, he does dreads, so make sure y'all go and check him out if y'all in the South Suburbs area. I will link his information at the bottom. But this is where I pinned the mouth part. I didn't show y'all, but it's basically the same thing that we did to the eye part. So now we're going to go ahead and pin these together, and you want to make sure they are inside out. And this is what it should look like. And now you want to just pin those areas together like so. And after you pinned all the way around, this is what you should have. So now you want to take each area that you pinned inside out and sew it together. Now it's time to connect this piece to the pants leg, and you just want to make sure you line it up the correct way and go ahead and pin it. As you see, I was cutting off little pieces because some of the hat was not even. And then you want to just do the same thing to both sides and sew it around. And then y'all, I went ahead and did the waistband off cam, but this is the final and finishing look. Let me know what y'all think. Yes, y'all, I love it. Like, look at the dope pictures. Like, get into it. Make sure y'all follow and like for more videos like this. Love you guys. Bye.